So at this stage, it's just 2 weeks after the samples had been set in the sandbox to pre-wet it at negative 100 hectopascal. And at this point, just transferring them from the sandbox, weigh them, ready for clay dispersibility test. So at this point is just weighing and seeing so that we're able to get how much water to add to carry out the clay dispersibility test. And at this point, normally I would add up to between 75 and 80 ml of water. And then at this point, I'm just getting it ready to put it in the end over end shaker, and it's going to run for 2 minutes. So this is basically important for creating some destructive force, the shaking. And then I had to pick it when it was still rotating so that we make sure that the sand does not stick on the on the lid. And at this point, you leave it there to settle for 3 hours and 50 minutes for each sample, so that the clay colloids can be settled, and that is what we will come and siphon. So you can see at this point, it's been 3 hours and 50 minutes, and I'm siphoning 20 ml 3 times, so 60 ml of the colloidal solution, so that we see how much clay was suspended, or rather how much clay was dispersed from the soil. And so this is the 60 ml, and to create some sort of homogeneity, I'll just transfer it to the magnetic stirrer to make it homogeneous, and then I will transfer 10 ml to the glass vials, and this is what is going to go to the oven for vaporization, so that we see how much clay is left afterwards. So this is 24 hours later. We have the clay that was dispersed in the vials that is ready for weighing, so that we know how much indeed of that clay was dispersed.